Go with the MST CFX-W, the JP-1 body, and modified tires, and Reef's 444 front and rear steering servos. So that's what we got going on here. Try to just get a little bit of running footage and see how these servos act on the rocks. Currently have it set to just front steering only, and if I push a button I can set it to 4-wheel steering or crab walk or rear wheel only, which we'll try. Rear wheel only will definitely help right here. Perfect. The MST, the CFX here, I have not had any runtime with it because when I took it out for the first maiden voyage, the rear axle snapped. So I didn't even make it up over the first obstacle and they snapped on me. What can I do here? Maybe some 4-wheel steering action. No. Nope, nope, nope. Let's see if we can't try that again. 4-wheel steering's already on. Change it over to crab walk because my rear tire's holding me up here. There we go. Let's see, 4-wheel steering. Let's see if we can't do this again. Alright, so it's just an idea, but you see how the rear tires are. I want them to come up on that back rock. So this is where I think crab walk will definitely help. Because then when you try to come up this right here, the back tires crab walk up onto the, just like that. Very nice, very nice. I like it. I like it. This is my first 4-wheel drive steering, or 4-wheel steering, whatever you want to call it. It's my first one, so I'm not used to any of this stuff. Let's see what you can do coming down here. Now I'm gonna take it off crab walk and I'm gonna put it on 4-wheel steering. Hopefully that'll help. Maybe. Yeah, that definitely helped out. Okay, now some regular steer. Actually, let's go rear. Rear only. Yeah, so that's what we got going on. Here's rear steer only. See if I can do this for you. So there's rear. Here's crab walk. And then here's 4-wheel steering. It's pretty neat. I like it. Like I said, these, geez, 2 444 servos on here. I mean, holy cow, you can't go wrong with this power. These things aren't even feeling it. And then not only did I do that, but I did these CFX steering links for the you know, for the tie rod and the steering link here. And man, holy cow. And I even did a CFX steering horn right there. So check him out, CFX. Everybody knows about CFX. Man, the quality of the parts is just awesome. Now, when I did get these, I used Traxxas end links. I don't know if anybody knows, but a lot of the stuff uses Traxxas end links on their stuff. It's just a good universal end link. So, and then those of you that don't know, the MST comes with the rear axle, where it comes with 2 little block off brackets, so it's not 4-wheel steering, but there is the option of making it 4-wheel steering. It comes with everything you need in the kit to make it 4-wheel steering, other than the steering links. But it does come with the servo mount and you know, all the caster blocks and all that kind of stuff with the kit to go ahead and make it 4-wheel steering. All you need to do is buy a servo and steering links. So all right, let's crawl a little bit more, see what this little puppy can do. I'm trying to get you a good view here. We're on 4-wheel steer right now. We'll just leave it on that and see how it does. I think it does great. The tires on this thing were junk tires. So what I did with these tires is I cut out a full tread and just kind of gave it this cross pattern. So I don't know if you can see, but I cut out the middle tread. These sidewalls kind of come down as an arrow. So I cut out the tread in between the little arrow. They seem to be doing better. That's for sure. I'm not gonna say they're high racks or any of that kind of stuff, but they're definitely doing better for sure. The rims on the MST are just a cheapo knockoff, something I ordered from like AliExpress or something like that. They're just junk old rims, but they look like your typical Jeep rims, so I figured why not. This comes with plastic wheels on it, and we all know we like the steel bead locks. It gave it a little bit more weight down low too, so it's working out pretty good. Let's see if we can't get it up over these rocks here. See what we need to do to get this thing going. Four-wheel steering still on. Okay, 4-wheel steering hurt me right there. I think it'd be better off as a crab walk. But she's still going, so I'm gonna just keep rolling with her. A bit of binding up there. Let's try crabbing it. There we go. Crab is what I needed. Come right up. I mean, it's kind of cheating because, like, if I was in any of my other vehicles, you know, it wouldn't have done it like that. But something neat just to mess around with out here on the trail. See what we can do here. It doesn't do bad with side hilling. I mean, that wasn't technically a full side hill, but it does good. A little bit of body scrape on that one back tire. I think my body might be just off a smidge. It did adjust my trim on that rear. Oh, you gotta love the four-wheel steering though. Holy cow. Good times, good fun. Alright, see if we can't get a little clip of this thing coming across. Currently on all-wheel steer. Oh, it just does so nice with that all-wheel steer. It's crazy. Crazy, I tell ya. So I think now I'm going to crab walk because I want to get the rear to go to the left, but I want the front to go to the right. So let's crab walk this baby. Crab walk. Do we want crab walk? No. No, we don't want crab walk. We want all-wheel steer. There we go. Yeah, it does pretty good now that I cut those tires. Before, the tires were just not grabbing onto anything. Oh yeah, wow. Nice, very nice. So here's where I want to crab walk for sure. It's coming around this tree. So we're gonna set up the crab walk here. There we go, nice. Keeps that rear end up nice and high. Put it on back on four-wheel steer. And then we'll go back to crab walk right here. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Just gets that rear end hugging right up nice and close. I like that. Very cool. See if we can't bring her down here. We're gonna keep it in crab walk mode because the rear, oh, because there's no reason to keep it in crab walk mode. We fell. She's doing good now. Need to take it out on rocks over in the woods. See what it can do.